What up? It's your boy, Big Joe McCool. Now, the 3 people that actually know me know that I absolutely love origami. Now, today, I'm actually going to teach you how to make this. Now, this is just a cube, right? But I call it a gift box because back in the day, I actually used to put all kinds of crap in here and give them to people. I actually don't know what's inside of this. So if you want to make one, you're going to need 6 sheets of paper. Now you can just use one color, but I think it looks better if you use 3. Now the first thing you want to do is fold the paper in half, hamburger style. Then you open it back up and this crease is going to be your guide. So then what you want to do is this edge, you want to line up to the middle. And then you do the exact same thing to the other side. Then you want to fold it in half again, hamburger style. Now this actually is the most important step. So what you want to do is fold where this edge lines up with this crease. As best as you can. And then you flip it and do the exact same thing on the other side. Then what you want to do is open it up, and where these flaps are, this little flap, you open it and tuck this behind that flap. And do the same thing with that side. Then these 2 little flaps, what you want to do is tuck it in behind itself. Like so. Then what you want to do is flip it, and with this edge, there's a cross here. So this edge you want to line up on this crease. And also you can use this line or this edge with this edge, line that up together like that. And then you want to do the same thing with this one. Like that. And then you repeat the steps exactly with the other 5 sheets of paper. Now the reason why I said that one step is the most important, because if you don't do all of these the exact same way, you're going to get this. And you don't want this. You want them all to face the same way. So if you get mix match of these, it's just not going to work. So because a cube has 6 faces, the way I like to put it together is for each color to be facing each other from the opposite side. So how you'll combine it is with each opening that there is, you'll tuck in the flap in there, snug. And there you go. You made your very own homemade gift box. And you can also very easily make them in smaller sizes. Now to make the medium size box, which is my personal favorite, instead of 6 sheets of paper, you'll only need 3. All you'd have to do is fold it in half, then cut it. Then with each piece of paper, fold it the exact same way as you would if you were making it the normal way. And if you'd wanted to make it even smaller, you would only need 2 sheets of paper, and all you have to do is fold it in fourths, cut it, then fold it again the exact same way as you would if you were making the normal size. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching.